Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware Grilling Expert. Yeah, you can tell it's crab leg day on the Traeger. And I'll tell you what, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And then make sure, as always, we always love it when you like, comment, and share. Then that little eye that pops up, that's our information station. Click on that, and we're going shopping at your local Ace. So it's time to stop talking. Let's dig in here, talk about ingredients, get the grill fired up, and let's get cooking. Ingredients today, check it out. We're starting off with, you guessed it, crab legs. I went with some Alaskan king crab that I got at my local store. And I'll tell you, we bought these defrosted because that is definitely going to speed up that cooking time as well. Then, super simple, right? We're gonna make some drawn butter, which is that lightly melted butter. Very different from clarified, but we're gonna lightly melt this drawn butter, add a little bit of lemon, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of rub-a-dub. Let's head out, get the grill fired up. So we went ahead and loaded the Traeger with those reserve blend pellets. Now it is time to set today's cook temp, and we are going for 450 degrees. We want this crab to cook nice and fast. So we'll hit ignite, we'll let that preheat. Let's get back in the kitchen. We've got the crab legs set on some foil, and I'm actually gonna make kind of a foil pouch or a foil envelope. I've got these two crab legs here, and again, these are defrosted. What I love about that is much quicker cook time, and we're wrapping them in this envelope of foil that we're gonna poke some holes into to let some of that Traeger smoke get in, but we're also almost creating kind of a steamer. Today's cook temperature, we're gonna cook these to an internal temperature of 145 degrees. That is going to be perfect, hot, juicy, and delicious. So we'll go ahead and get this wrapped up like I said, make a little envelope, fold this over, fold this over, fold this over, crimp down on that end like so. And then, now that we've got our envelope or our pouch made, check it out, we're just gonna do this. We're gonna poke a few holes in it, letting some of that Traeger air, smoke, wonderful, juicy magic get right in there. Preheated right at 450 degrees, so we'll go ahead and grab our crab leg pouches. We're gonna set those guys here. Now, cook time today, 15 to 20 minutes, or until we check our Maverick thermometer, or until we get an internal temp of 145 degrees. First thing we need to do is go ahead and get this drawn butter. Like I said, drawn butter is going to be slightly melted. We don't want to separate the butter fat from the milk solids. We want to keep them together. It makes such a creamier dipping butter. So we'll add a little bit of garlic, and you can add as much or as little as you like, but we're going to add that in there like that. We'll put that other butter in. We've got 2 sticks of butter in there, and then season it a little bit with some rub-a-dub just to add a little bit more foundational flavor. But we'll go ahead and take this basting pot now, set it out on the Traeger, and give it about 5 to 7 minutes until it's lightly melted. Here we are right at that 15-minute mark. You can see we've got 113 degree temperature. I went with that probe right up into that leg. We're gonna keep it wrapped. We're gonna go another 5 minutes, get it up to that 145. We have hit that internal temp of 145 degrees. Time to grab the pouches. I will see you in the kitchen, where next up, it's time to quality control. That is worth its price of admission, and that is why I picked the biggest crab legs on earth. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. It is time to dunk it into that beautiful butter. Look at that, look at that. Oh, and cheers.